Back on Normandy again this morning. We went back into Riley Creek again. As you can see, the water temperature is 83 degrees. We'll be throwing a buzzbait again this morning. It is 5:39 in the morning. It's cloudy and overcast, so let's go fishing. Back here. There's a fish. Good fish. Keep him down. Ain't that big. I mean, not size, ain't that big. Finally caught you, didn't it? Yep. How'd I hook you? Come out there. It's right there at the side of the jaw, ain't it? Oh, there we go. That's a decent fish. Yeah, let's see how much you weigh. Just out of curiosity, how much do you weigh? If I get this thing. Ouch, that hurt. Cut me around the fin. See if my bubble scale work today. Alright, let's see what I find. They're not huge, but we'll see how big they are. .36. Thank you, Lord. Golly, I am weak this morning. Come on now. Good fish, good fish. Thank you, Lord. That's not really what I'm looking for. I start setting hook on these things, I guess. Lay down, lay down. Now come up. There you go. There you go. Start that, start that. Another good largemouth. A couple pounds, maybe. Pound and a half anyway. Thank you, Lord. Oh, that was a whale. Well, I thought he was. He hit like a whale. Oh man. You stop. Stop, stop, stop. You wasn't as big as I thought you was. You hit, man, you hit like crazy. Would you stop? Stop. Hold still. Can't get down to you. Moving too much for me. Alrighty. Oh, largemouth. Thank you, Lord. Number 3. Come on there, baby. A largemouth. Catching a largemouth day. And of course I didn't get a good grip on him. Now I got a flop. Okay. Got you now. A largemouth. Number 4. In a boat. There's our Kentucky. There's my first Kentucky in the boat. Where you hung at? Hooked at. Get a hook at me. First Kentucky. Nice chunky Kentucky. Thank you, Lord. Number 5. the boat, buddy. There we go. Number 6. Get hold of you first before you start flipping everywhere. That's a largemouth. Little largemouth, largemouth. So I thought I saw one following it. I thought I saw one following it. Get in my jacket here. Okay. Alright, now still fish. Yeah, that's Kentucky. Thank you, Lord. Number 7. Didn't take long. Eat in the boat. Eat in the boat. Another Kentucky. Thank you, Lord. Oh, come on, you dumb Lord. Number 9. That's a small one. It's a good thing. After all the stuff I had to go over. I'm sure I could get a big one over that. That little dink. Thank you, Lord. That's better. Get him in. That's bass number 100 for the year. Oh, there he is. That's number 100 for the year. Finally got to that triple digits. Kentucky. There's a little Kentucky finally. There's a little Kentucky again. And now where you at? Oh, that got me in the thumb again. Dang. I'm about catching myself. Another Kentucky. Decent Kentucky. That little bitty one. That's a dink. But still a fish. Number 12. That's not bigger, does it? Little bitty Kentucky. Getting little bitty again. There we go. Thank you, Lord. There's a little sniff rascal. That's a little better one. Oh, hold still. See, I'm looking pretty good. 14. Hit right on top of him, didn't I? Alright. Did that right in your mouth, didn't I? Kentucky. That's a chunky one.